तो ये वीडियो मैंने बनाया है AI की हेल्प से विदाउट यूजिंग एनी सॉफ्टवेयर। सो इफ यू ऑल्सो वांट टू क्रिएट वीडियोस लाइक दिस देन प्लीज मेक श्योर टू वॉच दिस वीडियो टिल द एंड। सो सबसे पहले हम ओपन कर लेते हैं गूगल क्रोम एंड वहां से हम हमारे प्रोडक्ट की हाई क्वालिटी में एक इमेज डाउनलोड कर लेते हैं। ऑलराइट, सो आफ्टर डाउनलोडिंग द इमेज लेट मी हेड ओवर टू द गूगल जेमिनी फॉर creating the background for our product. So for this product I want to create a very mysterious, or you can say dramatic background. Let me just copy this prompt and paste it right here. Just click on submit button. The Google Gemini will generate the image in a few seconds, so just wait for it. Okay, so our image has been generated. As you can see, it really looks so sick, to be honest. Now it's time to head over to the next AI tool, which is Google Flow AI, where we convert this static image into the video. Okay, so now just click on the create with the flow. After that, click on the new project. Now you can see a small panel. We make sure that you have to select the frame to video, not text to video. Okay, so let me just select the frame to video. After that, you have to upload the image which we have created using the Gemini AI. Let me just upload the image right here. Alright, so after that you can see there is a ratio panel. If you want your ratio to be in landscape mode, you can select the landscape, and if you want in a portrait mode, you can select the portrait mode. So let me just select the portrait mode for now and click on crop and save. Alright, so our image has been uploaded here. Let me just type the prompt how you want the product to be animate. Okay, so finally our video has been generated. Let me play the video and show you how cool this AI is. Alright, so if you really enjoy this video and want to see more advanced and high quality breakdowns like this, then please do subscribe our channel.